as you can see, install it, and it is here. So tap on it and install. Okay guys, so thank Ooh. Ooh. This app isn't available in your country. That's so, don't worry. Today it will be available in your country. Stay tuned, subscribe, give it thumbs up. So guys, before you watch this video, so subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then you comment what you like about this video and what you don't like and what you expect me to do in the next video, and then subscribe so that you get the next video. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay guys, welcome again to my channel Online Hustler. If you're interested in making money online, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any video on Online Hustle and about Online Hustle. If you're interested in making money online, you are the right place. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, give it thumbs up, and then you comment about what's wrong about the video and what's like about the video. Okay, so it's very important, share, subscribe, then give it thumbs up. Okay, so today I want to show you how to download PayPal app from Play Store if it is not available in your country. So if you're in any country, either Ghana, Nigeria, or any country that the PayPal app is not available, then I'm going to show you how to download it from Play Store. Okay, but before we start, I just want to encourage you to subscribe, because according to my analytics, only few people who watch my videos have subscribed. Only few people who watch my video have subscribed. So you can see 31% out of 100% have subscribed. So only 31% who watch my videos have subscribed. Only 31% have subscribed. So guys, if you have not subscribed, so subscribe. Okay, so let's start. So let's go to Play Store and search for a PayPal app. So as you can see, PayPal app. Search for PayPal or PayPal app. It is not in the results given, as you can see from here. It is not in the result. Okay. So what we do is, you come to the address bar and then search for Proxy Master VPN. Okay, so the first one is Pro, and then the second one is Lite or Light. So you download the first one. You download the first one. Okay, so let's just first download, then you continue. Okay, so it has finished downloading and now it is installing. It's being installed. Okay, so now we open it. Then we tap on faster service. Then you come and choose Canada. Then you connect. Okay. Connection is secure, so now you are connected to Canada. Okay, so now let's go to PayPal again. So you come to Play Store. Sorry for saying PayPal. Then this part is very important. So you have to get 2 accounts, 2 emails connected. So after installing the Proximaster VPN, you come and change the first account you were using to different account. So before I was using Bako Football, so I'll come and change to Online Hustle. So I'll change my account. So I have to get 2 accounts. The first one for installing the Proximaster and everything, and after installing the Proximaster, you change it to different accounts. Okay. So now let's wait for it to load. Okay, so now I'll change my account, the first account from Proximaster. I'll change my first account from Bako Football to Online Hustle. So now we go to Chrome and then you search for PayPal app. Okay, so it is here. Install, receive money or pay online. So the first one. So you choose the first one. Install now. So this one will send it to the PayPal app. So whenever you search it, make sure the link you choose will send it to Play Store. Okay, so now we see, as you can see, a Google Play. Okay, so as you can see, it is already here. Install it. Yeah. So as you can see, install it and it is here. So tap on it and install. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. So I'll tell you, if you're interested in making money online, make sure you subscribe. I do videos about how to make money online, website that pays, apps that pays, and a whole lot. So if you're interested in making online, make sure you subscribe and you comment what you like about this video and what you don't like and what you expect in this video and everything. So guys, make sure you subscribe and you comment. Thank you for watching.